Hi, good morning. David Stolfo here with MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia. Hope you're doing wonderful. I wanted to show you today this really nice Crest II 220 tri-tune boat that we have in stock. It is exterior colored with navy, a metallic navy color, and then it has the real pretty steel gray on the outside fencing. We did that on purpose to kind of bring in the color onto the interior with this rustic weathered gray polyvinyl flooring, which really does nice. And then we brought some gray in here as well to the navy colored boat. This boat is powered with a really beefy, powerful 3-liter Mercury 4-stroke 150 horsepower outboard. Very modern, quiet, very fuel efficient, but yet powerful. So it's the best of all those worlds. I love this seating plan. It's got the split loungers that allows you to sit in different, configurations. But this will do this to give you a full lounger rear facing when you want. Or, of course, you can do it like this. Now, a lot of our clients are deciding where they want their table, and we're seeing tables installed either here or here a lot, giving it a little bit of a dinette feel back here. So that's very, very nice. Our helm is really well appointed, and we have the aluminum tilt wheel. We got our 2-inch depth finder included. Got a nice hours meter on here. The Fusion stereo is Bluetooth, so that's really good. I love this storage compartment. And then our captain's cooled cup holder, I will say, is the best invention since sliced bread and the wheel. Those are the two things that are ahead of it. But the captain's cup holder that's cooled is the neatest thing around. The other thing I love about this boat, it has the premium stereo system with the lit speaker rings with LED around that. So at night it gives off a real cool blue glow that just really lights the boat up nicely. It looks wonderful. So thanks for taking a couple minutes to look the boat over with me. It's a 2019 model Crest II 220 navy with steel gray, the 150 out back. You can see this boat in person here at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. We can be reached by telephone at 770-614-6968. Got a full team of guys here to help you, and we're looking forward to getting the call and getting you on the water on this Crest. David Stolfo at MarineMax. Have a nice day. Thank you.